Hey everybody, this is part 2. This is where we're going to be doing the installation of the underseat subwoofer. The speakers have all gone in fine, everything's good with that one. I'm going to do it as 2 separate videos because otherwise it's going to take absolutely ages to go through it all. You may only be interested in this part, and if you're only interested in this part, this is for that video, and obviously the other bits on the other one. But yeah, so there we go. This is how we install this part. Moving on. So the Kenwood KSC-SW11. Let's check the time. 4 o'clock. I'll show you what this is. I haven't even opened it again myself. This thing here. Serial number label, right. So this comes with a remote control for the sub. Oh, this one comes with, yeah, I watched the video on this one beforehand. So you've got 2 kinds of input wires. You've got audio input wires, like red and white, and then you've got like speaker cable, which you can like go into the speakers with. So these are the other aerials onto the battery as well. And then this is what we all want to see, let's be honest. We want to see what's in the middle. What's this thing here? Okay. Bracket, screws, mounting thing. Here we go. This is it. Kenwood KSC-SW11. I was ideally thinking about putting this like in the floor, like in the footwell up the back there, but I think it will give better sound if it's under the chair. The only problem is these are tilty styly ones, but it might not be too big of an issue. We can install it under here. What's this? Book. Oh, bottle of water. Loads of space under there. What we'll do is probably put this, I don't know if you can see this, I'm going to remove you from here. Just sit right in there like that. Give the driver lots of boom boom in the bum bum. Lots of boom boom in the bum bum. Right. That's what we're going to do. We're going to put it there. Remote, power, speakers, input. Let's remove the head unit and see what options we have. Remove the screws. Come to the unit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I've got a left and a right. And a rear subwoofer, which is amazing. Means I get to use the good ones, not the crappy ones. The instructions, no. Simple, isn't it? Right. Okay. Just got to go to the battery. Seat, aren't we? We're going to wire it in, apart from the speaker wires. We're going to probably ground it as well. Do everything we need to do. Put the Conti wire in. Alright, we'll do all of that. Okay. And I like to make sure all my wires are hidden. So we'll get all the wires out we need. Sorry. Put you in there a bit. Whoa! This is quite long. Remembers the name? Right. They'll be here tomorrow. So if we wire everything else up, And all we've got to do is connect the wires from there to here, and then it's done. So we've got a P, I don't know what this is, but I'm going to connect it up. What's on this end of this one? What's on the end of here? I can get the right one for this. Okay. Right. Is that right? That's that. And then we'll put this on there. Because it's a Kenwood unit, you see, it's a Kenwood head unit and a Kenwood subwoofer, so they're quite similar. Okay. They are connected. We want, so that's going to be hidden underneath all this. So then this is the bit, obviously it's just going to go to the car, underneath the seat here, which we can then run underneath here. And take out the little centre console bit. You see, all these cars are so well put together. Ah, that's good. Someone's already earthed out a wire, which is amazing. We'll join all three wires together. All three wires together, then put a terminal over on top of them all. Keep them all secured. And then we will also plug in the controller. What that is. There we go. Plug in the controller. I don't think we're going to need that much out. Right, so we'll just feed it under the chair. Got a telephone line. Okay. This is a lot of cable actually. Lots of cable. We'll leave that over there. Yeah, all this. Go on here, under the middle centre console. And up, tuck it all under there. And then the main battery one. Welcome back. So finally got the piece. I did just do a load of filming, but I didn't have an SD card in it. So I'll show you what we got. So this is the cable that we were waiting on. It's obviously male to male, like male to female connections on both parts. So I've wired that in now. So obviously they go into the back of the speaker. It shoots red and white, but I've used red for red and white's now gone into the black. So yeah, so they go in the back of the stereo. I've wired in the power cable into the back of the stereo. Main power has gone into that. So obviously when the stereo turns on, that turns on. When we're talking about that, obviously I'm talking about this, the subwoofer that's underneath the seat. So I'm just going to plug this back in now. So yeah, so on the back here we've got white and red. But we're going to go red to red and then black. Black is the white. And obviously, say I wired in the cable for the power cable into the back of the head unit itself. Nicely done. Then we'll get a bit of tape. Protect it. We'll test it out again. Right, just going to do a test now. Okay, so if it goes quiet, it's because of copyright. I'm going to go Bleety Audio, and this was a great song to test it out on. Right, perfect. So we've hardwired it in. We've got the wires in. We've got everything working in from that. It's definitely a vast improvement. So we've just installed the Kenwood KSC-SW11, yeah, I think it's really good. Gives enough bass through underneath the seat of the passenger, or the driver, sorry. They're going to be the one feeling it all. So we're just going to need to position it so it doesn't move around underneath, and then obviously put this somewhere. I don't think this is a control that they're going to particularly need to be adjusting constantly from it all. So we'll put it on pretty much like 75–80% on the volume, and the frequency is sort of the same. And then yeah, go from there really. So I'm just going to do that now. I'll leave the camera rolling. I'll probably speed it up through it. But yeah, we'll get these positioned up. There were some other bits in the bag, wasn't there? A bracket here, 2 brackets. Wrote some sticky tape. So I have under here with a plate.